is the Jaguar XE key. I'm going to show you how you can change the battery. So you need the battery, obviously, which is a battery, it's called a CR2032. So once you have the battery, you need to open the key. You'll see a silver little triangle on the silver strip. That just clips off like that. So obviously the triangle is pointing that way. That pops off. Take the key blade out, slide that out, and then you can just leverage the little silver strip over there, just leverage it up, and then pop that into the hole, and you're just opening or popping the back off. So just give it a turn to the left and then to the right, and then it just clips off the back of the key. With the key back off, you can now slide the battery out so you get something sharp. I use my nail just to slide that out, and then I always put a little bit of pressure, just push that down, because sometimes it becomes a little bit loose, and that simply just slides right into there. And when that's in there, you just put the back back on. So just line that up and just give that a little bit of pressure and just clip it closed, and then you can put the key blade away, and then the silver strip simply goes back in position. It just slides, as you'll see, into the little holes, and then you'll see that little triangle just above, and you can just slide it down like that, and that's it.